In this tutorial, we're going to walk you through how to set up Sitepins as a headless CMS for your static site project. For this demo, we're going to be using the free Astro boilerplate. We'll add a link to the description below. The first thing you need to do is click on Add New Site. You'll see two Git provider options, GitHub and GitLab. For this tutorial, we're using GitHub, so click on it. This will open up a Sitepins installation prompt. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Now you can add a new site. I'm calling mine Astro Setup Guide. The Git provider is already set to GitHub. Under Repository, select your Astro repo. You should see it listed as your username /astroplate. The branch defaults to main, which is what we want. The site URL field is optional. For now, just click Create Site. For configuring the project, you can follow the on-screen instructions. For Settings Content folder, type source/content. For Media folder, public/images. And for the config folder, you can type source/config. Sitepins has already detected your content folders. You can see the blog option right here in the sidebar. But before you can use it properly, we need to define a schema for your content type. Click on Create Schema to add a new file. Sitepins automatically reads the font matter and generates all your fields. Now just add a new file. Write your preferred title. Write and edit your content. Configure SEO settings. And just simply hit publish. You need to create an account on Vercel. You can deploy your site. Just follow the on-screen instructions step by step. And there you go. Now you have a fully functioning live website and you're ready to publish and edit content with Sitepins CMS.